from ShopBlocks, and today we're going to create a custom website header using BlockLab. This tutorial is beginner friendly and perfect for those specializing in design. First, I'll make sure I'm already logged into the ShopBlocks admin system. From here, I'll navigate to BlockLab, then select Header to start our design. Here's where we can start bringing our ideas to life. I want to create a trust banner to build confidence with visitors. I'll start by clicking Block, New, and then select a text block. Once added, I can easily customize the content by highlighting the text and using the text box properties panel to center it. Next, I'll highlight the text block so it's outlined in green. This shows we have styling options available in the block panel. To create a series of messages, I'm going to click Actions, Duplicate. I'll do this twice so we end up with 3 text blocks in total. Now I'll update each text block with its unique text content. With the text blocks ready, it's time to position them correctly. I'll click on the second text block and then use the up arrow key on my keyboard to move it next to the first block. Repeat the same steps for the third block so all 3 are lined up side by side. Now that our text blocks are in place, let's add some consistent styling. I'll click on each block and adjust the top and bottom padding to 10 pixels. This creates some breathing room around the text, but you can adjust the padding to suit your design. Next, I'll open up the row panel, which lets us style all 3 blocks together. Here, I'll add a background color from the brand palette to make the row stand out. And just like that, the first part of our header is ready. Now let's set up the menus. Back in BlockLab, click on Content and find the Menus tab. This is where we can manage our site's navigation. We have 2 options here, Mega Menus and Manage Menus. I'll start with Mega Menus, where I'll open up Mega Menu 4 for this example. From here, I'll add a new menu item by selecting an option from the link drop-down. Once everything looks good, I'll save my changes. Over in Manage Menus, I'll set up sub-menus. For this example, I'm preparing a menu for quick access to icons like the search bar, account, and basket. Each menu item is linked to a specific page, but I've left the name field empty so only the icons are visible. Next, we'll add these menus to our header. Back in BlockLab, I'll add a new block and select the Mega Menu. A customization panel will pop up, allowing us to tweak the menu's appearance. I'll choose Mega Menu 6 as it's already prepared, then adjust the top and bottom padding to create space between the trust banner and the menu. This keeps everything clear and accessible. For the colors, since our header has a black background, I'll make the link text white using the color picker. For the hover effect, I'll choose a brand color, but feel free to adjust these colors to suit your site's theme. Once you're satisfied, click Save and your Mega Menu is set. To add our submenu, I'll select the menu block, choose Header Controls from the drop-down and save. Using the arrow keys again on my keyboard, I'll position the submenu right next to the Mega Menu. Then I'll add a background color to the row and adjust the hover settings for the submenu to create a cohesive look. Finally, let's add our logo. I'll use the logo block and move it into position. The Mega Menu might be too wide and fall onto 2 lines, so I'll adjust its width until it fits perfectly. Then I'll fine-tune the logo size by selecting the image panel and adjusting the width if necessary. Once everything is looking aligned and balanced, I can tweak the top and bottom padding of each block to ensure they all match in height. Now that the header is complete, I'm ready to publish. Click on the Your Site button when you're ready to see our new header live on the website. And there you have it, a custom website header built directly in BlockLab. Thank you for following along, and I look forward to seeing you next time.